So y'all, let me start off by telling y'all I started this hair care for all the African American ladies because when we went to the stores, it was so much alcohol in these products. Like hair used to get matted, tangled, breaking combs. Like people just don't understand our hair. So I was like, I'm gonna create a product for our hair and I want to share it with you guys. So let's start off with our shampoo. Our hair is very curly, especially if you have like 4C hair. You know your hair is curly, it can tangle real fast, and it can get dry. And a lot of times, these products have so much alcohol in it, it tangles it up, it changes the color because it's dried out. So I created shampoo. I love this shampoo. So you guys, let me start off. You know how you get shampoo and conditioner and you cannot tell which is which. So you done put your shampoo in like 3 times and you only want to do 2 times in a conditioner. I have different types for each one. So this will be for the shampoo. This is the conditioner. This is for our leave-in. And this is everybody's favorite, the drops. We'll talk about these later. But my shampoo has biotin, CBD, lavender, and my favorite aloe vera. We really have to heal our scabs. Our hair curls up, it dries it out, we scratch, we end up damaging our scalp, and it gives us like more. It grows out, but it doesn't last. It breaks off, it's weak. So the aloe vera strengthens your scalp and the follicles that's under it. So this shampoo, it also has, I put tea tree in it. So like, oh my gosh, y'all, no lie. I was in the shower one time and my fiance was like, why you making all that noise? I was like, oh my gosh, it feels so good. Just moaning and stuff. But y'all, this is everything. I love this shampoo. You guys can tell the difference like in 2 weeks. Literally 2 weeks from washing your hair. After you wash it, you can tell how clean your scalp is. I don't know about y'all, but I used to hate washing my hair. And you can be in there scrubbing, your arms tired. And when you like part your hair in the middle, you still got stuff there. Like, I know I didn't clean my hair. What's going on? So y'all, the shampoo cleans your scalp like it ain't nothing like squeaky clean hair. I'm telling you, if you do a press, even when you braid, you can really see a true healthy texture in your hair. That's why I love this shampoo. It cleans, it does the job. Now, our conditioner. Y'all, I don't know about y'all, but I done broke plenty of combs. There been plenty of brushes. Trying to let this conditioner sit in my hair 5 minutes thinking it's going to detangle this hair. And it didn't do the job. So you guys, I created a conditioner. Aloe vera, coconut oil. We need stuff that's going to calm the scalp, untangle the hair. Don't, so much stress. Like when you stress, you do this right here in your shoulders. Our hair does the same thing. Once we put so much alcohol on it, it's not moistured enough. Our conditioner has everything. I love this conditioner. I have one client, she was like, I do like a 2 week silk cold wash. And she was like, I just put this on my hair for 2 minutes, let it sit, brush it, rinse it out, and my hair is back healthy. Like, she was like, I don't like to wash my hair every 2 weeks. I love to do a conditioner. She was like, she even used it for her extensions. I do the same thing on my extensions. Like, if I've been outside all day, back to back, your extensions, it doesn't matter where you get them from. The cuticle is intact. It's gonna dry out like anything. It's going to dry out. The Our conditioner is so moisturizing. It's just, oh my gosh, it's like silk. Like just to brush your hair, it's silk. I love this conditioner. Okay, after you have shampooed your hair, condition it. This right here is our leave-in conditioner. Awesome. Let me tell y'all, it works as a protector. It still conditions your hair. So you know how you could be blow drying your hair, and after you blow dry, it just looks so poofy and dry. Sometimes it can be hard. You do not have that problem with this. Like, I use this throughout the week. My little niece, she has 4C hair. It runs in the family, y'all. On my mom's side of the family, we all got 4C hair. My dad got like Indian wavy hair. I ain't get it. I'm cool with that. Because if it wasn't for that, I probably wouldn't have had these products. So, you guys, I use it on a daily basis. Like, even if I'm using like, even like with edge control, if my edges have been dry, especially like if you work out, when you work out, you have sweat, it has salt in it, it does dry out your hair. You just spray this on the side, you back to a healthy moisturized strands. Like, I love this stuff, like this leave-in. Even if I'm dealing with somebody that extensions probably tangled up on them, I spray this on there. I do this when I'm combing my niece's hair. She has big poofy hair. Like, it's the only thing I can really use to like calm it down, because I don't know, if you have like big poofy hair, it does, when you look at it, it looks overwhelming. But I just thinking about my head, let me take it piece by piece by piece, and I put this in there, and you could tell the difference in the hair. I can even do a little piece for y'all now. I just put a little bit. Y'all see that? Y'all see how it tames the poofiness? This is our kinky hair, but you could see the difference. It's a major difference. It calms it down, takes out the frizz. I could put I can get a flat iron on 400, take this through, and it'll be straight. Like, it'll be like a healthy silk press. See? You could tell the difference. You see how this is like a little bit more flatter, less frizz. This is our kinky line of headband wigs. You see the difference? Everything. Now these drops, y'all, this is what got me started with the hair care. I remember I was in hair school, and it was me and my classmate named Tara, and she was like, girl, you don't have no edges. So I used to be like, don't nobody in my family have edges. It's genetics. And y'all, it's semi-true. It is. Like, your genetics, it makes up your body composition. And a lot of my family members did not have edges. Like, y'all used to be slap bald on the side. I used to have a handful of hair here. Y'all see, it's thick. I used to have no hair here, like slick bald, slap bald. So I started mixing up essential oils to see like what would work out. I don't know if y'all have ever seen Madam C. J. Walker movie. I went through the same thing. I remember when I first started, y'all. I mixed this. I had so much tea tree in there. It was me and Kayla, my cousin Kayla. She let me test her out. Like, she was my dummy, my live dummy for years. Y'all, I'm telling you, I put it on my scalp, it burned. Like, I had to go through so many batches just to get it right. But I use tea tree oil. I remember when I first started, I put sea moss in it, and sea moss and coconut, you can't put too much in it because it'll irritate your scalp. So I just had to get the right mixture. I use rosemary, tea tree, coconut oil, olive oil, carrot oil. Y'all know how you used to do like the castor oil and carrot oil treatments? I put it in my drops. It's everything. Like, especially if you wear sew-ins to braids. I don't know about y'all, but when that scalp get dry, it get itchy. Like, it just make you want to undo your hair right then and there. I put these drops up in there. Y'all, it feels so good. This is my bottle. I paid for it. Let me tell y'all, I be just like this. Oh, it feels so good. This is exactly what the girls need, because when you take out your sew-in, I remember before these drops, my hair used to be tangled and dry. Like, that's not what's up. You could literally just slip it under there. Oh my gosh, y'all, it feels so good. And I just massage it in. It feels so good. Ooh, oh my gosh, y'all. This how I be in the shower with that shampoo, like, oh my gosh. I'ma stop. Okay, y'all. The edge control is the last of my products that I created, that I have. Y'all, these sell out so fast when I go to pop-up shops. Let me tell you why. First of all, this edge control lasts 2 days. Do y'all know how, like, you have to freshen up your edges, like, every day? No. You put this on 1 day. Put it on 1 day. Tie down. Next day, you good. The third day, it might need a little touch-up. But it's no edge control out there right now that's going to last you more than about 4 or 5 hours. This is everything, y'all. Then you have some edge control that has so much alcohol, it dries out your edges, it breaks them off. That's not cool. I hate to see girls with, what is it called when it's like, I don't know how to do it. And then it's like the little black powder on the side. No, y'all, that breaks your edges off. Alcohol on our type of hair is not what's up. It literally breaks our hair. Chemical products, I don't think, like, okay, I worked at a hospital and they was trying to figure out why so many black women was getting cancer. They did a test with people that didn't have relaxers and then some that did have relaxers, and they found out that us absorbing these chemicals in our bodies was causing chemicals. Also, eating a lot of processed foods cause cancer. Like, yeah, it was so many black women that had it. Some people did survive, but during that study, some of those ladies did not survive. That's why I'm like so passionate about having vegan products, because a lot of people do not understand, like, chemicals, all that processing that goes deep inside from hair and skin. So that's why I was like, I'm going to make these all natural products, because we need something that's for us. Like, y'all remember FUBU? Like, you getting somebody else to make our products, they don't really know about us. You know, like, the alcohol and stuff might work on other people's hair, but that does not work for us. We absorbing these products and chemicals at higher rates. We have to leave these relaxers on longer because we have to break down these strands. That is not what's up. I love these products. I make these products with love and care. I'm very passionate about it. Try it out for yourself. We have a 30-day guarantee. If you don't like it, send it back. I'll give you your money back. I promise. No gimmicks. I love this edge control. Like, it holds 2 days. No lie, y'all. I used to be slap ball on the side. Couldn't hold nothing, y'all. I'm not the greatest baby hair thing. I just think of a certain age. I can't be having finger waves going down the side of my forehead like that. I can't do it. But you guys, try out the products. Let me know what works and doesn't work. I'm always willing to make different products. Right now, I'm in a process of making a sea moss shampoo product. So we're still testing it out. Give us like 2 months. Everything probably said and done. But thank y'all for joining. I hope y'all have a good Labor Day. I'm praying that y'all have a safe Labor Day. Labor Day and the 4th of July. Our big holidays, you know. Enjoy your friends. This is like the last holiday of the summer. Y'all have fun. Y'all check out the website, www.hairglam'd.com. Use the code IGLive for your 20% discount. And thank y'all again. Y'all have a good one.
Good job, babe. You did really good. Your personality came across on camera. I really like the stuff about the hospital study. And I sent you a whole bunch of pictures.
Oh, thank you, babe.
You did a good job.
I did. I'm tired. I feel like I talked the whole time.
That was really good.